Leo, want to build a sandcastle?
Sure.
You know, every good castle should have a moat.
What's a moat?
A moat is a lake that wraps around a castle, protecting it from invaders.
Oh!
You need to dig nice and deep so that you reach wet sand. This will ensure the moat keeps its shape. That is a fine castle, Caillou. Now, just you wait.
For what?
That!
Wow!
Cool.
There, now you have a castle that can keep out any unwanted visitors.
Hey, Caillou, how about a game of Frisbee?
Yeah!
Go on, Caillou, but don't run too far.
Go long, Leo! Hi-ya! Gotcha!
I think I need to lie down.
I have a better idea, Leo. Oh no, Rosie! Where's Daddy? I think we need to cool off.
Wow! Maybe we could try that, Caillou.
Can we, Mommy?
You go have fun, Caillou, but careful you don't go too far out.
Hop on!
It's coming!
Go! Yuck!
Careful not to drink the seawater, Caillou. It doesn't taste very nice. But these slushies...
Slushies! My favorite!
Caillou, you rascal. Not so fast, Caillou.
Caillou was at the beach with Mommy, Daddy, and Rosie. Daddy was going to take him exploring.
Ready to explore the rock pools, Caillou?
Where did the rock pools come from? They weren't here last time.
They were, Caillou. You just couldn't see them because they were hidden under the sea. When the tide goes out, little bits of the sea are left among the rocks, including any sea creatures that were hiding there.
Caillou wasn't sure he liked the sound of hidden sea creatures.
But what if we find something scary? Like a big shark!
Don't worry, Caillou. There won't be any sharks. Follow me.
You promise?
I promise, Caillou. But be careful. Some of these rocks might be a little slippery.
Have fun, Caillou, and be careful. Rosie and I are going to write a message in the sand to show you when you get back.
Okay, Mommy.
See anything in this one, Caillou?
Caillou looked very carefully, but he couldn't see any creatures.
No, it's empty.
It's okay. Let's keep exploring. What about this one?
I saw something. It was a shark.
I don't think it was a shark, Caillou. Come and take another look.
Caillou looked again. It wasn't a shark after all.
Oh, it's just a little fish. And look, there's another one and another. There's too many to count. The fish will be able to get back to the sea once the tide comes back, won't they?
That's right, Caillou. You're a very good explorer. Shall we see what else we can find?
Caillou waved goodbye to the fish and went off in search of more creatures. Caillou was taking extra careful steps. He didn't want to slip over and get his shorts wet.
Wow! Caillou, come and see this!
At the bottom of the pool, Caillou saw something very strange.
Daddy, that's not a creature. It's just a flower. But flowers don't grow underwater, do they?
It may look a bit like a flower, Caillou, but it's actually a little animal called a sea anemone.
Anemone?
Anemone.
Anemone.
You got it!
Caillou thought the sea anemone was the strangest thing he'd ever seen.
Daddy, help! It's got me!
Hold still, Caillou. It's not trying to hurt you, see? It's just a friendly sea snail.
It felt really slimy. Daddy, look over there!
Well spotted, Caillou. It's a little crab.
Caillou liked how the crab moved from side to side. It was dancing.
Look, Daddy, I'm a crab!
Crabs can live on the land and in the sea. Want to take a closer look?
Yes, please! Careful, Daddy!
It's okay, Caillou. I just gotta try and avoid his claws.
Does it hurt, Daddy?
No, not really. He's only very small.
Of all the sea creatures Caillou had seen that day, the crab was his absolute favorite.
Well, we better get going, Caillou. The tide will be coming back soon, and we don't want to get wet feet.
Goodbye, Mr. Crab! Mommy!
Oh, hey, Caillou. So, how were the rock pools?
I saw all kinds of sea creatures. My favorite was the crab. Look!
That's great, Caillou. Well, Rosie and I were busy too.
Wow! That's your name, Rosie! And that one's my name!
I've been teaching Rosie her letters.
That's great, Rosie.
Don't worry, Rosie. Now all the sea creatures I met will be able to read our names, too!
Oh no, a crab!
Hey! Snap! Snap!
Caillou loved meeting all of the sea creatures in the rock pools. Learning at the beach was lots of fun. Today, Mommy and Daddy had taken Caillou and Rosie to enjoy a fun-filled day at the water park. Caillou was being a good older brother and was teaching Rosie how to swim.
Okay, Rosie. All you have to do is kick your legs really fast, like this. Now you try.
Great job, Rosie.
Caillou, you're a very good teacher.
Look! Those children are fighting a pirate ship.
Looks like they could use your help, Caillou.
Captain Caillou to the rescue!
Hold on, Caillou. You need to put some sunscreen on first.
But I want to go and battle the pirates.
You won't be able to fight the pirates if you get a sunburn.
Okay, Mommy. But hurry! We can't let the pirates take over the water park. Ugh! It's cold.
Hold still, Caillou. Perfect.
What? Meow! Mommy, I can't fight the pirates looking like this. They'll laugh at me.
Oh, okay, Captain Caillou, come here. There. Now you're ready to go and save the day.
Come on, Rosie. Let's go sink the pirate ship. Ready? Aim, fire!
Yar, matey!
Watch out, Caillou. The pirates are fighting back.
Don't worry, I'll get him.
Arr, man overboard!
Whoa, we did
it! Yay!
We did it, Rosie. We stopped the pirates from taking over the water park. Yar!
After all that excitement, I bet you two could do with a rest. How about we take a ride down the lazy river?
That sounds like fun.
This is very relaxing.
It's a bit slow. Can it go any faster?
Why don't we have a race to that palm tree, Caillou?
Okay.
Here I come, Caillou. Whoa!
I did it! I won!
Well done, Caillou.
Why is the line moving so slowly?
Be patient, Caillou. This is the biggest slide at the water park. It'll be worth the wait.
The biggest? Can't we go on the second biggest slide?
Don't worry, Caillou. There are 2 slides next to each other, so we can go down together.
Oh, okay. Are you ready, Mommy?
I'm a little scared. Could you hold my hand?
Of course, Mommy. I'll protect you.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Go!
See, Caillou? That wasn't so bad, was it?
Thanks for holding my hand, Caillou. You're very brave.
That was splash-tastic!
Caillou is going swimming with Mommy and Daddy.
Here we are, Caillou. Are you ready to practice your swimming?
Caillou checked that he was wearing both his armbands. They would help him stay afloat.
Yup.
Caillou looked around and was very excited to see a slide leading right into the pool.
Look, Mommy, a slide!
Wait, Caillou. Caillou, you mustn't run at the pool. It can be very wet and you could slip and fall down. Look here. See, rule number 1, no running.
Caillou wanted to be safe at the pool.
Sorry, I just wanted to see the slide.
It's okay, Caillou. Now, let's take a look.
Caillou climbed up the ladder and sat at the top of the slide. Come on, Caillou! I'll be right here to catch you when you land in the pool. Caillou looked down at Mommy in the pool, but now he was up here, it looked an awfully long way to the bottom.
I got too scared. It was a lot higher than I thought it would be.
Never mind, Caillou. Let's go into the pool from the shallow end.
Caillou climbed down the ladder into the pool to join Daddy. That water was just the right height for him to stand on the bottom.
Better?
Much better. Look, Mommy, I'm swimming.
Very good, Caillou. How about you try to swim to Daddy?
Caillou swam towards Daddy.
That's it, Caillou. Just a little further.
I made it all by myself.
You certainly did.
Caillou watched as Mommy swam under the water. He was very impressed. Ta-da! Caillou wanted to try and swim underwater too, but his armbands wouldn't let him sink.
Caillou, you can't go underwater with your armbands on. Shall I hold on to them for you?
Caillou wasn't ready to take off his armbands just yet.
It's okay. I'll go under the water another day. Hey, no running!
Hi there. What's your name?
Caillou!
Hi, Caillou. I'm the lifeguard. My job is to make sure everyone is safe at the pool. If I see anyone being unsafe, I blow this whistle.
I saw those children running over there. That's against the rules.
That's right. And thank you for calling out to them.
Caillou remembered what Daddy told him about running at the pool.
If you run at the pool, you could slip and fall over.
Exactly. Here. Now you can be a lifeguard too. But only blow it if you see someone breaking the rules, okay?
Caillou felt very proud to be a lifeguard.
Say, have you tried the water slide yet? It's lots of fun.
I tried, but I got scared.
It's okay to be scared, but a brave lifeguard like you has nothing to worry about.
Well, I guess I could have another try.
Great. And don't worry, I'll be watching to make sure nothing unexpected happens.
Caillou climbed up the ladder once more. It still looked a long way down.
I'm here, Caillou.
Caillou was ready. He counted to 3 and then pushed himself down the slide.
1, 2, 3!
Oh, Caillou, you did it! What a brave lifeguard you are!
That was amazing! Did you see the big splash I made? Can I do it again? Daddy, the pool rules said no grown-ups on the slide.
Caillou was very happy. He would never be scared to go down the slide at the pool again.